To the guy who posted my nudes, once again, I don't have your time to threaten you, okay? Feel free, live free, okay? Me if I won't call police station, I arrest you. No. Me see me the one manyamela. See guys, I know what's going on, okay? And first of all, I want to use this platform to thank Street Beats for being able to have patience with me, to talk to me, to use like he used his time to talk to me. And can you know anka say man better more to me who would that. And to the guy who posted my nudes, I don't have any word for you. And I don't have time to avenge on anybody. No. Me de oma nyame. Na bra obe bread there, ehye nyame nsa. So I'm just, there still living my life and I say ashiwo me and you. I've always had this feeling that someday, one day, this is going to happen to me. I've always had this feeling. So it's not new to me. I don't want to explain anything to anybody now. I don't want to. Strong man, but he asked me to come live or dare me, and I had to come live. So I say catfish. Now this is me. Ikuya. So see, this is me. Okay, this is my natural face. Me makeup. I'm back again. Me say boy no licky minutes no me me I won't avenge you. Many time oh. And to those telling me that I'm hoeing blah 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 and stuff. They no be oti ahin fie ho. Eish, we dem TV down. Na da kote na ensem kwa. Oh, also interesting. Minim. My mom told me like when I got a woman no kind send this better. So it's not new to me. I know this. I've always known this. Like minim dada. Just forgive him. I've forgiven him. I don't want to retaliate. I don't want to fight him. Nah, I won't do that. I don't have his time, cry. Mean it. Just that I want you to know, say, I'm still strong, okay? I'm still strong. Like I posted on my fleet, say, I'm strong like a morning deck. You can't break me. Oh, you can't break me. I'm sorry. Oh, which one is natural? The pussy. It's natural. I was born with it. Interested. Charlie, the minimum says to me, Palmacho, Charlie, come out the shirt now. I grab Vaseline already. Because I said, if it's an pound, did you know? I don't want to fight with anyone, okay? I'm at peace with myself. And then to Street Beats, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Like, piano, the piano, I didn't review. Piano. The very first time the nudes got leaked, he was the first guy to call me and inform me about it. Just me kana minim de ekoso. Ah, ena mo de mote ha. Ana mo masturbate mo so mo nka manu ntu. Mo nka manu ntu mo so amokote ese de akaso. Mo nye din na mo masturbate ena you a ho ena your pussy is big. Oh, my favorite cry. Everyone has skeletons in their cupboard. Master, ODMPA, I don't judge someone. No. Sons of God, sons of the Holy Mary, holiest than thou. Me pamacho. No ma mi din en come no mesere mo why. Mwehu eye me pamacho, mwehu eye. We mwehu assist mwehu me pamacho. I know say mwehu. I'm aware say mwehu. And I'm aware say upon have yes my hitting 1 million. Me kwa me go share. Me pamacho. Mwehu a mo fans mo de mo keep you on phone so na mo hwe de mo pe. Mo hwe wi a na mo de mutumi delete. Open so me delete manenda ho. Me pamcho mo ma me din enka mo no. Me ni obi eni asem. Asem na aba. And people were criticizing me. And to those YouTubers wasting their time sitting down saying a whole lot about me, I've seen it all on Amonya Yamoka. Upcoming artists, they need this platform to sing. They can't simply because they don't get that little push. You'll be nuts pie dear moha after no pattern and not more than quack to YouTube. Like you can't stand phone the treme. Sam me ho. Ah. How the thing leak? Oh, forget why. I'll talk about it, not now. If I'm on Instagram, I am July. Ekia Sauce in Seremo. That's my new account. So follow me. Why? But that's 9,000. I lost it last year, and I've begun a new one. It's me pam. So follow me. Ebia, I could, post them. No, no licky you. There were better ones, so I don't know why I didn't lick that one. Now, ugly ones no licky with Jimmy Pa. But it's all good. Me the nebony action. Me the nemanya menso. Me the nebony action. So me the namanya me. To avenge for me. Me, I don't want to avenge, because if I do, he's not going to feel God's wrath. He should rather feel it. I don't want to hurt him. I don't want to do anything to him. And someone should tell him, say, those threatening him, me minim who be you. Minim who be those threatening him. Me de minim who adage you. Until being go country and say minim who time. Na my baba threaten. Na me threaten na me de jeden. Oh, ne you draws. Jaika Sani ne uterus. And if you wash your mommy dear na abuaba. Are you a hookup? Hookup and come met a man she Jimmy so. Did you break up with him? Or you chop his money? I can't answer that right now. When are you looking the better ones? Oh, better ones need the minimal. Reply me for IG. Obi say Tremuluka. Yes, papa. This is minim. Oh, I don't know, yes, sir. I know, says minim. But I will pay you a visit. Forget everyone calling me names. And Kofi started criticizing me, and yeah, no. It's me, I'm used to it. I'm not patampa. I shall me that one was to so mammy and no boy drama or the wall. A punch back. How did you get the leak out? I told you guys I'm here for the violence. Me and my candidate say I'm here for the violence. So me my catch remo yo. Everyone has issues, so if you don't, I don't know why I'm here. God pushed you here, don't worry. I just school back. I don't know what kind of school bell. I still leave God out of it. Why should I leave him out of it? I say when you get heart the talk. Nanka debut. I should get what bones. Open only fans. Mini adaje. Make we talk. Make we see talk there. Into the way when you pay your me home. Bear my way any brave for pound. To the guy who posted my nudes, once again, I don't have your time to threaten you, okay? Feel free, live free, okay? Me if I won't call police station, I arrest you. No. Me see me the one my yamela. Anything for the boys. Could be someone or not to. Be strong. Oh, thank you. Why? To those telling me to be strong, thank you so much. Nyame shram why? On shram no ma musika. So now you be celebrity. Celebrity bang. Celebrity I'm hearing. Berema munjai the omokikano. Hey, I'm good. How about you? Those insulting me, no, yes, real. Hey, you don't give me money. You too, I don't even know the panty size I wear. All do I know is that the pants the guy posted was pink. You don't know the size I wear, and you are here insulting me. Oh, now if it's not class, say, okay, I did here. What's the scam? Why say I'm money? No, did me matem. Very my one yard here. Oh, did matem? Oh, who did me matem? Oh, the forehead need a natural. Yeah, the woman. Once again, my Instagram, Musumumbu, me name swear. Oh, then I'm with you. End this video. Relax, I'm here for the violence. Send me your Momo number. You the DM. Only fans go help. Oh, nah. I already have family who take care of me. Who take care of me more than enough, more than I can imagine. And you know when it happened, no, they didn't insult me nor criticize me. They accepted me for who I am. Now most are your friend was saying, Tula kune ntwie na motse modem na mudidi matem no. Na me ne betua moka. Me, I was born in a shy man. Oh. That's why I said nobody can break me. You can't break me. You can't break me. Me as Santiniba, you can't break me. Post 1001, you can't break me. I'll see it and reply you pa. Madam Master. Okay, let me end it here. And once again, last but not least, Kwejo Piano, thank you. And Yami sure why? And then to Streets Beat once again, thank you. Why? Yami sure. Honestly, I was disappointed at first though. But I wasn't the one who posted. So why should you be disappointed? I said I can't be talking about a nude, so oh, I love you all too. Those who love me, I love you too. Those who hate me, I love you too. And those who still criticize me, Nyame tuamuka. Me de Nyame shira me. Nyame be shira mu nyina why. Na mo amudidi matem so Nyame tuamuka. Me nye mo hwe. Me nye mo hwe, me nye mo bone na mudidi matem simply because you've seen my nude tinti me ya shawo ni. Wow. I see you some way depend. Oh, violence, you moment to us, so you should be ashamed of yourself. Shani Jimmy be ashamed, so there will be a posting minutes and I should be ashamed. Wait, so I didn't retaliate, I didn't argue with the guy, I didn't fight with him, I didn't report him to the police, and you are telling me to be ashamed of myself. Really? Oh, my netu na go back and our sister netu na go back away. Brema for Jimmy copy baby tina. Chelsea is about to play. Let me go out. Let me go off. Let me go off. Bye bye. Why? Bye bye. Have a nice day, you. Or should I say a nice weekend? And to those going to their boyfriends to watch for them, don't worry, don't worry. Into Kofi, why? Koshe UTV. Next time you go send gifts, sensible people like me. I'm not gonna leave. Oh no, I've learned my lesson. I'm training a top notch. But that's all. A training elephant. Hey, most more way time span. Shall So I'm on live. They said I should come live, so I'm on live. Kwejo piano, me that's why. Street beats, me that's it. I check and can. What's a castle on Kawanuntu? I blame Nanado for the Guys, those who were worried about me, I'm fine. I didn't die. I got all better more saying coming back committed suicide. So I knew me the milk enough fry. I knew it's a muddy. I'm still alive, I didn't die. I can't die. I can't miss a dick and die. I can't do that. Okay? I can't die just like that. You know, fine self. I know, sir, I'm not fine. That be why your face. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. When you say my ass, me person like asa. Onya gbemi, onya gbemi. Speak more English, please. Okay, so I guess that's all. Someone dared me to come live, and I had to respond to the daring. So I'm here. Yes, Chelsea bebo match into my main quiet. Akosua me pe why me di akosua me ekua o me to me nya akosua it na me den no me nya akosua e try no the musical it's big I don't know kind you British Got Talent I don't know so guess clearly you haven't learned your lesson. Which lesson? I want to know which type of lesson are you talking about? So wait, were you waiting for me to start preaching the gospel so that people will be like, "Say, can you need some and can one repent?" Then mommy, I'm not fake. I'm not fake. Nyami timi mu. Memfa dear my fame no embe yet to say because my nude has been leaked into the Nyami asem. Hey, I'm not fake. I'm sorry. I'm real. I can't pretend. Okay. God knows my heart. So I'm kind. Then yes, Anka, you see how I insult you. Menko ankoti you having to learn your lesson. It's in Kamenko to sorry them. Namiko. Hey, or the saying then I come empo. Masa Vaseline gya ho asɛm ka na wokra fita no pakra undidi ye. Yɛse ball atwe. Sɛ ball ate sɛ ɔman kasa ɔmo abusuafo. Okay, I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you too. Manuel Lloyd. Say Leodo, say Lloydo. Who didn't bow? How are you doing? I'm good, and how about you? You're a strong woman. You be savage, Charlie. More I'm caught said they are castle, Miss Tremo. Enough with the masturbating now. I am where crying your fair Munjai. Munjai, most semre. Ah, more dear, ya castle, a book I ain't trying no ye, and I'm the masturbating sounds with the matema count. When you woman home. Okay, so I'm about to go out. Go off. Oh, sorry. I'm about to go off. Kojo Piano, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And then Street Beats, thank you too. Okay. For your time, your patience. Oh, Charlie. Yeah, me sure baby why. But that's it. What's your handle? I don't know. They really me best. Who is charming? Like who is chanting on my mouth? Me say I am July. AYAM and then July. My followers in Drew 400 into be pound. Oh, those who were inspiring me and motivating me. I mean, sure I'm why, but these two people, no, like Kwejo Piano anyway, Street Beats, they did so much. They did so much. Kwasia Bema, we put for Omo Kwasia. Jimmy, no baby did my term, I was scot free. Hey, before boss you, Ashamani you. I can't go easy with you. Onye, Onye, John. A tremble brass band. Yeah, sorry them there now, and I say Catholic church there. My freestyle. But I'm here man since Munjaya me out. Everyone that you. Oh yeah, me. Because when who me nudes into you are insulting me. Oh, it's saying come here stank bedding. What do you mean pressure them? And I'll bear me them. Like I want people to answer this question for me. Oh, Ashaiman, Fita line close to Tulaku. You see that road? This school, Math Academy, that's my former school. Return the Vaseline. Fanny Radio command. Our sister won't do that. Nequasia, do you know what she's doing secretly? Master, go and then school your family and don't come and telling me bullshit. Are you the one who feeds me? Do you feed me? Do you buy me bra? Do you buy me panties? Don't come and tell me bullshit. Nequasia said our sister won't do this. Go and worship them. If they won't do that, go and worship them. I'm not mad at anyone. No. I'm not mad at anyone. But maybe if you insult me, I'll insult you, Sam. I won't spare anyone. Oh, yeah, me yaubi. Me dem me catch you. Me yaubi. Me found one chill. You get family. I get family. Share my family bunch. Me busi na form dawson papa. As a matter on here, munja on here. My family, I'm dawson papa. I just don't want to mention names. So now you guys will go and then be hitting their DMs and stuff. Me go and cut here. Our sister won't do this. Custom ne. Custom no, Mr. Perfect. Go and worship your sister. Bullshit. Oh, center table, Jane. Nka island and kametia so kwa so wini my island. Island yes a table ni si kitchen. There's in kitchen. In na island. When nature yes I'm a hole. Me na I live in a mansion yes I'm a hole. Oh. Yes it yes sir. To those inspiring me, thank you. I mean sure I'm okay. Ogusuma mo ahonde no ma musika no ma mo asundwe. Ah, no ma mo da yeso nyina mre me ka papa de no enye bone de na mo remma no wo mu no. Papa de no ma ni mre na mo be nhira. Na mo omo didi matem so nyame nhira mo no nye mo kese. Onye mo kese na ebe time obeye mo kese na me mabrom so. So once again, Instagram, I am July, AYAM, and then July. That's the name I use on my Instagram. Any other account you come across is fake. My followers and do 400 you. It's in Pamcho. Any other account you come across is fake. So accounts na see a clear source. Na hate 1K. Na me due. Obi na share creating or the baby kiki. Nti mokɔ na odi pu mu a me de enye me o. Mo bi an bɛka bullshit nkyerɛ me. I'm done. Have a nice day. Bye bye.